and Jai Hind children. Welcome to online class. This is your GK class and today we are going to do page 30, page 31. Okay. So children, get ready with your GK book and pencil in your hand. Up to page 29 we have completed in the previous class itself. So children, have you all completed up to page 29? If not, then tell me, I will send you the PDF through which you can complete your previous work also. Okay, so children, let's start class. I will show you the PPT first. You all see the PPT and listen to me carefully. Then we will do the book exercises. Okay, so here to the explanation PPT. So children, I am going to show you the PPT. Page 30, we are going to do movie genres. In this chapter, children, we are going to study about the various types of movies that you all see. In this series, children, your first movie is the comedy movies. Comedy movies are which type of movies? Let's see. A comedy film is a category of film in which the main emphasis is on humor. So, comedy movie creates humor. Yes, whenever we see comedy movie, what happens? We laugh, we feel very light and they make us laugh. The characters in the film, they present themselves, which characterize themselves as they make us laugh. These films are designed to make audience laugh through amusement and most often work by exaggerating characteristics for humorous effect. So they make us laugh. So whenever we see a comedy movie, we laugh on the scenes, we laugh on the characters. They present themselves in such a way, they enact themselves in such a way that we laugh on them. Yes, film in this style traditionally have a happy ending. Okay, so comedy movies are very light movies. They make us feel laughing on each and every scene. The characters are before us, they make us laugh, and these types of movies are having a very happy ending. Now comes the next movie genre, which is horror. Now children, what is horror? Horror is fear. जब हमको डर लगता है, we feel fear. Now you can see this type of scenes we see in generally horror movies. Now what is a horror movie? A horror film is one that seeks to elicit fear in its audience. जो audience में क्या पैदा करती है? डर पैदा करती है. Okay, for entertainment purposes. Initially inspired by the literature. So children, when you watch horror movies, what happen? You feel fear. Yes, एक तरीके का आपके मन में आप डर के बारे में सोचने लगते हो. There is a fear in your mind. A fear is being created in your mind. So that is horror. Now comes the spy. So spy is the third movie type. Okay, it is one of the type that we see in the movie. It is now children, spy. What do you mean by this word? In Hindi, this word means jasoos. Spy means jasoos. किसी की जासूसी करना. To have an eye on that person's to get information from someone secretly is known as spy. Okay. So children, you all have heard that many countries they send their agents to spy in other countries. दूसरे देशों की जासूसी करने के लिए they send agents. Okay, so spy is किसी की जासूसी करना. So in many of the movies, you all have seen that the movies is all about the detective. Okay, jasoos. Now comes the next genre, which is romance. Now romance is what? It is a relationship between two people who are in love with each other. So that is, those types of movies are romance. Okay. Now comes the next movie genre. Your next movie genre is animation. Now children, you all watch cartoon. Yes, you all like watching cartoon. So what is cartoon? How it is created? It is created through animation. Okay. So there, in some of the cartoons, you will see that there are 3D effects. Now what is the 3D effect? Whenever you see these types of animation, you feel like they are standing before yourself. They are emerging out of the screen. So nowadays 3D effect cartoons are coming. So animation is the art of bringing life to an otherwise inanimate objects. किसी चीज को जीवन देना, that is known as animation. उसको एकदम जीवंत दिखाना, एकदम सामने से दिखाना, that is known as animation. Now you all like watching animation. You all like watching animated movies. Yes, you all like watching cartoons. So what is shown in cartoons? Animation. Now children comes the biopic. Okay, a biopic is a biographical film, or a biopic is a film that dramatizes the life of non-fictional or historically based person or people's life. So what is a biopic? Biopic is, you can say, जीवनी. किसी इंसान के जीवन को स्क्रीन पे दिखाना इज नोन एज बायोपिक. ओके, किसी पर्सन की लाइफ को मूवी के फॉर्म में सब दिखाना इज नोन एज बायोपिक. सो बायोपिक और अ बायोग्राफिकल फिल्म इज बेस्ड ऑन अ पीपल्स लाइफ. ओके, it is based on a people life, very influential people who have done good works. So some movies are created as a biopic of some influential people. Now what is biopic? The film that dramatizes the life of a non-fictional or historically based person or people. Such films show the life of historical person and the central character's real name is used. So in that the characters' names are also true. Okay, the same name are being used for showing that characters. Nowadays children, Gunjan Saxena biopic has come. Do you know who was Gunjan Saxena? Gunjan Saxena was the first fighter pilot. Okay, she was the first Indian lady fighter pilot, and she has also served during the Kargil war. She was there in the rescue operation. Okay, she was there in the rescue operation during the Kargil war. So she was a very famous lady. She was the first Indian fighter pilot. Okay, pilots so you all have heard, but she was the fighter pilot. That means she was serving in the army, armed forces. So she was Gunjan Saxena. Now children, many biopics have been created on many people. Narendra Modi. Okay, Mr. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of our country, you all know that he holds a very influential position. He is a very influential person. So biopic is made on his life also. Then you can see Thackeray. Yes, on his life also a biopic is made. And on the life of various people who have done good work in history. So on their life also biopics have been made. Now comes the next is fantasy. Children, in fantasy movie there is nothing reality. Reality से दूर दूर तक they are having no relation. Okay, reality से कोई भी relation नहीं होता है. They are not having any relation with reality. They are completely based on imagination. Okay, so now see what is a fantasy. A fantasy is something you imagine, जैसा आप सोचते हो, which might involve dragons, unicorns, or an imaginary best friend. If you live in a fantasy world, you are not worrying much about reality. फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड में जब आप रहते हो तो आपका सच्चाई से या प्रेजेंट थिंग्स से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं होता है. कोई भी चीज उसमें ट्रूथ नहीं होती है, रियल नहीं होती है. सब चीज आपका इमेजिनेशन होता है. Now it gives a very pleasant feeling, maybe not very practical, but वो देख के आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You feel very pleasant, you feel very soothing, and it relaxes you also. Fantasy is dreams and imagination. So what is fantasy? एक स्वप्न लोक. You can say imagination. It's all about imagination. It has no relationship with reality. Now comes the fairy tale. Now children, do you know what is fairy tale? Fairy tale is Parikatha. Now you all like listening to the short stories of kings, queens, fairies, princess, prince. Yes, so that is fairy tale. Okay. So fairy tale is also more about its imagination only. Okay. A traditional story written for children that usually involves imaginary creatures and magic. इसमें भी जादू होता है और बहुत सारे imaginary creatures होते हैं जो कभी भी exist नहीं होते हैं, and it is all created through our imagination. Superheroes. Now children, many of you like watching movies based on superheroes. There are various superheroes like Batman, Spider-Man, Superman. Yes, so there are various types of superheroes movies are there. So many movies are based on superheroes. Now see children, a superhero, who is a superhero? A superhero or a superheroine is a stock character that possesses abilities beyond those of ordinary people. Now many of you have seen Shaktiman. सबने शक्तिमान देखा है किसी ने? अच्छा, if you not watched Shaktiman, then you might have seen the movies of Spider-Man, Superman, Batman. Krish, you all have seen. So yes, so that is a movie on superhero. In that movie, superhero was shown. So who is superhero? They are having extra powers. They are not normal like ordinary people. They possess some powers in them. Who typically use their powers to help the world. जो दुनिया को बचाने के लिए अपने powers का use करते हैं और is dedicated for protecting the public. जो लोगों को बचाते हैं from the evil, stopping जो एवल से लोगों को पब्लिक को सेव करते हैं. दे आर नोन एज सुपर हीरोज. Now children, many of the movies you all have seen, science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction that typically deals with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as advanced science and technology, space exploration, time travel, parallel universes and extraterrestrial life. So children, now these days many of the movies are scientific based concept. They are having very scientifically based concept. Now you might have seen movie like Robot. Yes, Robot movie देखी है. Now in Robot movie, it is based on complete on the robots. Yes, and robots are formed due to science. Technology is being used in creation of robots. So science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction. Sci-fi. In short, it is known as sci-fi. Okay, or sci-fi. Now in this, everything is related to science and technology. In this space exploration, in these types of movies, you will find that the story is based on space exploration. Time travel की story दिखाते हैं. Like people go either in the past or they reach the future through time traveling. So many of the movies are based on these types of stories. Now children, we are going to do the book exercises of this lesson. So all of you get ready with your page 30 open. Okay. Now I am going to show you the PDF. So children, now take out your page number 30. Movie genres. Identify the movie genre based on the clues given and complete the crossword. Focusing on making the audience laugh. So when did the audience laugh? When we see comedy movie. So in 3 across you will write comedy. Okay. Then children, we are doing across, so you will see only across right now. Now here comes the fourth question. So see across, fourth question is here. A story that focuses on love and emotions. So in a story in which the love and emotions are shown, that type of movies are known as romance. So write down all of you romance, see the spelling of romance and write the correct spelling of romance. Now come to the question number 6. Charting the life or portraying a key events in a person's life. Okay. So key events in a person life. उस किसी इंसान को किसी पर्सन की लाइफ को पोर्ट्रे करना मूवी के फॉर्म में इज नोन एज बायोपिक. यस, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, किसी भी पर्सन की लाइफ को एक मूवी के फॉर्म में पोर्ट्रे करना इज नोन एज बायोपिक. सो नंबर 6 यू विल राइट बायोपिक. Then comes number 7, a fantastical element such as magic or other dimensions acting upon. So it is completely based on your fantasy. It has no relation with reality. So these types of movies are based on fantasy. These are movies which are based on complete fantasy. So write fantasy FANTACY and you will write it across because we are doing across. It is on number 7. Then comes number 8. Characters with supernatural abilities battle with powerful enemies. So if a person possesses supernatural powers, they are known as super hero. Yes, they are having extra powers for fighting the evils or enemies. So write down number 8, super hero. Then come to the down section. Now you will fill this crossword puzzle down. Okay. So down, your first question is undercover professionals on a secret mission. So undercover professionals on a secret mission, I have told you, detectives. They are also known as spy, jasoos, spy. Then comes the next question down, number 2. You will see an element of fear of the unknown approaching. एक डर सा लगा रहना, एक डर दिखाना. That is creating fear in the mind is known as number 2. All of you see where number 2 is given this. So creating fear in the mind of audience is horror. In which type of movie you feel fear? In the horror movie. So in number 2 you will write horror. Element of fear उसमें involve होता है. किस picture में element of fear involve होता है? In the horror movie. Then see number 5th question. Involving hand-drawn individual frames placed together to create the illusion of motion. Involving hand-drawn individual frames placed together to create the illusion of motion. Now see number 5 down. Animation. They are the handmade drawings and the effects are given in these drawings in such a way that you feel like they are talking, they are speaking. So they are completely hand-drawn individuals. Folklores adapted into screenplays. Folklores adopted into screenplays. When it is all imaginary and they show it on the screen, Parikatha, folklores is Parikatha. So it is related to fairy tale. Okay. Number 7 you will write fairy tale. Now come to question number 8. Based on scientific fictional story. So what type of stories are based on scientific fictions? Sci-fi. Okay. So sci-fi are the movies, are the stories which are based on scientific fiction. That is why they are known as sci-fi. Now children, this completes your page number 30. Now children, see, it is written humorous phases of funny faces. 1906 was the first short silent animated film to be made. So which was the first animated movie? Humorous phases of funny faces. This was first animated film. Okay. Now children, we will see the PPT of another lesson. Now see page number 31, lead the way. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to study about the various characters that are there in the various cartoons characters. Now first movie is Toy Story. Okay. First is Toy Story. Now what is Toy Story? Let's see. Toy Story. Okay. Now what is Toy Story all about? Woody, Buzz, Lightyear and the rest of the gang embark on a road trip with Bonnie and a new toy named Forky. The adventurous journey turns into an unexpected reunion as Woody's light detour leads him to his long-lost friend Bo Peep. As Woody and Bo discuss the old days, they soon start to realize that they are worlds apart when it comes to what they want from life as a toy. So this story is all about the toys, okay? In that one toy is Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Bonnie, Focky, Bo Peep. These were the friends, okay? So this story is all about the toys. Now children, see, first character we are talking is Woody. Now who was Woody in this cartoon movie? See, Sheriff Woody Pride, commonly known as simply Woody, is the main character in the Toy Story. So he is the main character in this Toy Story. He is a pull-string cowboy, ragdoll, and one of the two leaders of the toys in this movie. Many of you might have seen this movie in which there were many toys and they are having different stories. So this Woody, he was a cowboy. He dressed it like a cowboy and he was a cowboy and leaders and one of the two leaders of the toys. So he is one of the two leaders in this movie, Woody. Now comes the next character, which is Buzz. Buzz Lightyear is a fictional character in the Toy Story franchise. He is a toy space ranger, superhero according to the movie, and an action figure in the franchise. Okay, so he is a superhero. He is playing superhero in this movie. Along with Sheriff Woody, he is one of the two leading characters in all four Toy Story movies. So Woody was the main character. And next to Woody was Buzz Lightyear. He is also playing a lead role in all the four movies, in all the four series of Toy Story. Now comes the Rex. Now who is Rex in this Toy Story? Rex is a supporting character in the Toy Story. He is a plastic Tyrannosaurus. Okay. So Rex is from the family of dinosaurs and he is a Tyrannosaurus. Okay. Who served as the patronagist of Partysaurus Rex. Rex is insecure about his lack of ferociousness and is not scary enough and seems to just be annoying. So he is not creating fear in the mind of watchers, okay, audience. Now comes the next character is Jessie. Now you can see in the scene, this is a girl named Jessie. Now who is Jessie in this Toy Story? Jessie is a rough and tumble cowgirl doll with a passion for yodeling. Okay, so she is a cowgirl doll. You can see she is a toy and she is having a passion for yodeling. Since abandoned by her original owner, she is sensitive to being left behind. So this story is all about children, the toys. The toys who are left, who are abandoned. उनको छोड़ दिया गया है by their original owner. जो उनके owner थे, जिन्होंने उनको पहले सबसे पहले खरीदा था. when children, when you buy toys, what happens? After playing with them for some time, you get fed up of them. आप उनसे fed up हो जाते हो. आप उनसे you feel disinterested. आपका उनमें कोई ज़्यादा interest नहीं होता है. And gradually, when you grow up, these toys are of no use for yourself. And what happened? You get rid of these types of toys. So in this movie, children, the feelings of these toys are being shown. इन toys को कैसा लगता है जब आप इनको छोड़ देते हो, इनको अपने से दूर कर देते हो? That feeling is shown through this movie toy. Okay, so Jessie is also one of the characters and she was completely shocked and hurt when her original owner has abandoned her. Now comes next character in this Toy Story is Peter Pan. Peter Pan was accidentally abandoned as a baby. वो जब छोटा था तभी उसको छोड़ दिया गया था. And after he came back to his parents, he saw through an open window that his parents had another child. So what was the story of this Peter Pan? जब वो छोटा था तभी उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको छोड़ दिया था. And gradually after some time, once he had seen through the window that their parents had another child. However, unlike Peter Pan, Lotso became evil when he saw that he was replaced. उसकी जगह उन लोग ने दूसरे टॉय को ले आए थे. That is why he was hurt completely by their original master. So this story is all about the people who were the toys who were abandoned, who were left over by their original masters. Okay. Now comes the next movie, that is Finding Nemo. Now this movie is all about the eponymous character of this children's animated epic. Nemo doesn't actually exist. ये actually exist. Nemo जो character है इस movie में वो actually exist नहीं होता है. Finding Nemo is in the fact the tale of psychologically damaged clownfish who must go on a personal journey as he tries to overcome the pain and fear caused by the loss of his family. Okay, so this story is all about a character which does not exist in reality, and it is the story of a clownfish who go on a personal journey as he tries to overcome. In this, the journey of a fish is being shown who wants to overcome the loss, that is the loss created by his family. Now this is the character known as Marlin. Marlin, a clownfish and Nemo's father. He was the father of Nemo. Ellen DeGeneres as Dory, a regal blue tang with short-term memory loss. Okay, it was a regal blue tang. It has a regal blue tang with short-term memory loss. So what was the problem with this fish? It is having a short-term memory loss. Now children, the next character in this movie was Crush. Who was Crush? Crush is a sea turtle who speaks in the manner of a surfer dude. Okay, so it is also a sea turtle is also a sea creature. Crush is also a sea creature. It is a turtle. He helps Marlin and Dory get to Sydney Harbour to rescue नेमो. वो किसकी हेल्प करता है? मार्लिन और डोरी की हेल्प करता है सिडनी हार्बर में. किसको बचाने में? नेमो को बचाने में. His nickname for Marlin and Dory are Jellyman and Little Blue respectively. So their names were Jellyman and Little Blue respectively. Now comes the next character in this movie, Finding Nemo, is Bubbles. Bubbles, you can see this is a yellow color fish. They are one of the most popular saltwater fish and are a staple of many marine aquariums. So many people, they keep these types of fish. They are yellow in color, and the name of this character was Bubbles in this movie Finding Nemo. Now comes Dory. Now see children, this is the Dory. It would have involved Nemo's long lost twin brother named Remy. Then Marlin gets captured, so it is up to Nemo, Remy and Dory to save him. Okay, so when the Nemo's twin brother Remy, okay, he got involved, then Marlin gets captured. When Marlin gets captured, then this Dory, Nemo and Remy, they saved it from the enemies. Now comes the Sheldon. Sheldon is an H2O intolerant seahorse and Bob's son who appeared in 2003. So children, this Sheldon is you can see it is a seahorse. It is a fish, look like seahorse, and it is playing the character of Bob's son who appeared in 2003. Now your next story is about Wall-E. Okay, Wall-E. Now we are studying about the next lesson. Okay, let's see. Wall-E. In Wall-E movie, we are going to see now all the characters. First, we will see what this movie is all about. Wall-E, a machine responsible for cleaning a waste-covered earth, meets another robot and falls in love with her. Together they set out on a journey that will alter the fate of mankind. So this movie is all about a machine. You can say a machine, a robot that is that's whose main aim was clearing this earth. Okay, whose main aim was cleaning this waste covered earth. When it meets a robot, another robot, and it fell in love with that robot. So this journey is about these two, how they change the fate of mankind. Fate is किस्मत, कैसे बदलते हैं. Now see Wally. This is the first character. Wally has definite human characteristics, especially his big, expressive, appealing eyes. So you can see the face and eyes are very much like humans. Wally has a friend, a cockroach, an exception to the absence of life. And one day he finds another sign of life, a little plant which he saves by putting it into a boot. So now this Wally, it was saving the life of a cockroach, and once again he has saved the life of a plant. Now children, comes the next character of this movie, who is Bernie. Now see children, a Bernie is a small meteoroid, hits a lightning spire outside of the ship. Bernie is repair robot. It is a repairing robot and sent to replace the spire. However, things keep going wrong. वो सब चीज ठीक करने की कोशिश करता था. He was a robot. Bernie was a robot. And वो सब चीज बनाने की कोशिश करता था और हर बार चीजें जो है खराब हो जाती थी. Now comes the next robot. Now what is the work of this robot in this movie? Otto. See, Otto. The name of this robot is Otto. A machine responsible for cleaning a waste covered earth. Okay. Then together this is all the story about Otto. Okay. Now comes the next character, who is Captain B. Mac. His full name was Kriya. Captain B.M. McCrea is a major character of Wall-E. He was a human male of intermediate age who was in the command of Axiom. So this is the picture of Captain B. Mac. Now comes the next character of this movie, who was Steward bots appear to lose their sensitive or their ability to feel. This is possibly due so that they wouldn't move outside. Now children, this movie is all about the robots. They don't are having any feeling. They are just doing their work. They have to clean the mother earth. They were directly created and programmed for vigilance and security reasons. So their work was vigilance and security reasons. Security appear to lose their sentience or their ability to feel. This is possibly due so that they wouldn't move outside of their orders. They were directly created and programmed for vigilance and security reasons. So their work was security and vigilance. So children, this completes your PPT of this page. Now I am going to show you the PDF. So children, get ready for it. Get ready with it and complete your PDF file. Okay. Now see, come to the next page, lead the way. In this, the Toy Story, it is the first picture of Toy Story. In this, you have to write the name of various characters. So children, write down the name. First, you will write Woody, Buzz, Rex, Jessie, Peter Pan. They are the characters of Toy Story. In Finding Nemo, what are the various characters? We have just seen in the PPT. Crush, Bubbles, Dory, Marlin, Sheldon. They are the various characters in Finding Nemo. In Wall-E, Bernie, Eve, Otto, Captain B. Mac and Steward bots. They are the various characters in Wall-E. So children, this completes your today's book exercises. Okay. Now see, Frozen is the first animated Disney film directed by a woman. So Frozen movie, you all have seen a Frozen princess is there. That movie is directed by a woman. It is the first animated movie जिसको किसी और women ने direct किया है. Now see, the movie Kung Fu Panda is not just a story, but it teaches us some valuable lessons about realizing one's potential and appreciating it. Kung Fu Panda is also coming on your cartoons. Yes, so it is not just a movie, it also tells us valuable lessons. Now children, after completing these 2 pages, you have to complete your page number 67. Okay, So children, I am sending you the PDF of all the 3 pages. If you have not completed the book exercises, see the PDF and complete your book exercises. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's class and we will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.